So let's get right into it. I started by chaining 16 with a chain 4 up. So we're going to start by treble crocheting into the 5th chain from the hook and then in every subsequent chain across, which is going to give us 13 treble crochet. Now, making a treble crochet, you're going to yarn over twice, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through another 2, and pull through the last 2 on your hoop. So you're making 3 sets of 2. So insert, and once again, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. For the next row, we're going to chain 4, which is our step up for a treble crochet. Turn your piece, yarn over twice, skip the first stitch like we do in every tutorial, and jump into the second one, and again, treble all the way across. And if you followed my previous tutorials, you see that to make up for that jump stitch, we are going to stitch into the last chain of the chain up of the previous row, and it gives it a nice box look instead of a wonky zigzag look, as you can see. Now a treble crochet stitch is already a pretty wonky looking stitch, considering it's 3 sets of 2 yarn overs, 2 loops, which makes it really long and really gangly is the word, I guess. So that's 3 rows. Let's get a few more done and make this more into a nice little box so we can put it together with the rest of the swatches that we've made so far. fasten off, and there you have it, a treble crochet swatch.